If you need to cancel your Payoneer subscription, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Payoneer website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings section. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Step 3. Find subscription information. In the account settings, look for a section labeled Subscription or Billing. Here, you can view current subscription details. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Locate the option to cancel your subscription. This may be a button or link that says Cancel Subscription or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow any prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may need to provide a reason for the cancellation or confirm your decision through an email or notification. After completing these steps, your Payoneer subscription should be cancelled. Make sure to check your email for any confirmation messages regarding the cancellation.